Happy Sunday, y'all. So we are at Target for Mariah. Wants to, hopefully y'all can hear me, but I came in here for Mariah wanting to get Robux. It's a GameStop right up the street. Target don't got Robux. We're gonna go to GameStop. I'm sure they're gonna have all the ones, but we just came here for that, and that's it. Where you get them from? Oh, they be right here. Yeah.
Can you get two just in case? Can you get another one just in case?
Just in case what? I told her we'll get this one now, then we have to get the $100 one because they don't even have 100 up here anyway, so we'll just get that one for now. And then if we have to get more, we'll get more. So we'll go in line right now.
I hope this is the right one.
I'm sure it is. Came here, right here to get that, and then out to finish our day. Hope y'all having a blessed day, and I'll talk to y'all. Alright, y'all, so I'm back in the car. Oh my gosh, I think I got some hairspray on my camera because I got some little dots now. Alright, made me bring her all the way to Target for some Robux. Y'all, these kids are so spoiled. Have kids, they said it'll be fun. They said it is fun, don't get me wrong, because I'll probably be bored, don't know what I'm doing if I didn't have her, but she just always got me on the go, always want to do stuff. But yes, y'all, we leaving Target. I'm starting to, the more and more, I just can't say I don't like Target, but Target's really growing on me. Like, I like it frequently, I go there frequently, but it's really beginning to grow on me where I find myself in Target all the time and getting great deals out of Target. I remember a long time ago, I used to, before Mariah was even thought of, I used to always go in Target, and I literally must have forgot all about the great stuff they have because I haven't been there in a while. But these past couple of days I've been at Target all the time, and it's like Target like kind of growing on me a lot, so I've been finding myself there a lot. So yeah, just been having everything that I've been not able to get in like Kroger's, not able to get at Walmart, nowhere. I've been finding everything at Target. Like, these other stores are slacking right about now. Target has everything. Some stuff I ain't even been able to find at Publix, and Target got it. So I'm happy for that. But you guys, I'm trying to see what I want to cook today. I asked Mariah what she got a taste for. She ain't studying nothing but them Robux, so she'll eat the Robux right about now. I don't have a specific taste for, but I know I need to cook because I know I'm gonna be hungry. But I don't know, I ate fried salmon last night, and it was, when I tell y'all, that fried salmon was busting. I ate it, I was tearing it up like no other, like literally tearing it up. I ate a salad with it. That salad was so good. It was just so good. I don't know if I was just hungry or it was just actually good, but I feel like it was just good. Like the honey glaze that was on the fish, busting, like literally. It's just like, oh y'all. So it's a I got it from somebody real. I don't know if I seen it on TikTok. I know y'all can't see me all the way, but I don't know if I seen it on TikTok or hold on, or it was just a reel. But I know for a fact I seen it on the reel too, if I seen it on both. But y'all, actually got my earpiece in my ear because I was listening to, and still listening to, Reverend Michael Todd. So if y'all don't know nothing about Michael Todd, y'all, what are y'all doing? Y'all is literally asleep if y'all don't know Michael Todd and Sarah Jakes. If y'all don't know them too, y'all literally sleep on Christ. For real. Like, get to know them. Like, they some very, very great ministers, male and female. They need to collab. I don't know if they ever did that, but they need to literally collab, because sometimes I've caught them both talking about the same thing, which, you know, of course they're talking about the Bible and Jesus Christ, but it's just good to hear like two different people's, a male and a female perspective on certain things, how they explain it, and they both explain it makes very much sense in the same way, if that makes sense. But yes, if y'all don't know them, y'all need to get to know them. And I would say I want some lamb chops, but I had lamb chops the other day, and I do got some at home. I got some lamb chops, and I got some please don't fall, these bumpy roads, and I got some lollipop lamb chops, and I just got the regular lamb chops without the lollipop. So I don't want no fish. Maybe I can make some chicken, some baked chicken. So another thing I did want to mention, I watched BLove video about her juice fast, and I'm really thinking I'm about to do the juice fast. I don't think I'm gonna just flat out, I think I'm gonna, since it's my first time ever doing something like this, or you know, I think I'm going to just gradually bring myself into like fasting more, because I really want to be able to like really get in tune with fasting and praying, and you know, get in tune with my spiritual. So I'm thinking I want to just like start off maybe with like 3 days, and then go from like 3 days to 6 days, because I just don't want to jump off into something hardcore and then stop. So I already tell myself to do these for a certain amount of days, and you know, stop, whatever, see if I can, you know, grasp myself to do it, and then continue on, because I don't want to go hardcore with it, because I'm like, I already know. And she was saying on the 3rd day was like the tough day for her, because she was very grumpy. And then I want to consult with my doctor too. I don't want to just start something, because I have high blood pressure, so I want to make sure that, you know, I'm doing what I need to do as far as that. So I do want to consult with my doctor first, to just let her know like what does she think of it, and then I still want to do a little bit more research, because Mariah talking about she want to do it. So yeah, so that's why I said it's gonna be something we'll gradually do, but I definitely want to talk to my doctor about it first, see if she okay with it, because from my understanding, a lot of people have, you know, they had high blood pressure, diabetic, just high cholesterol, low blood pressure, things like that, was able to come off of their medication. And oh, y'all can't see me, the fast. And so my blood pressure have always been like elevated. It's never like, it's just always, I never had an issue with it. It was always good with me taking my medication every day, but I would preferably to not take the medication, because I really don't like taking the medication, period. Like, only thing I like taking is my vitamins, and I take my vitamins daily. I've like really got used to taking them daily, giving them to Mariah daily. I just rather do that and eat healthy and stuff like that, because I be tired of taking the medicine sometimes, and sometimes I do, like, I can stay consistent with taking them every day, and then one day I might forget, and then I be like, dang, I forgot to take it, or you know. So I'm just like, I'm just tired of them. I've been taking them ever since, I want to say 27 years old, and I'm well over 27. Yeah, I've been taking them ever since I was 27 years old, so I'm kind of like tired of taking them now. So if I can just come up with another solution to not take them, to try something out, to change my eating habits, to, you know, flush all of the toxins and stuff out of my body, and just, you know, not only just that, just like I said, get in tune with, you know, my spiritual self. And yeah, y'all, so I'm I'm done chatting for right now. I love y'all. Thank y'all for supporting me. Like, literally. Thank y'all for always supporting, showing your love, watching my videos. But thank y'all for always supporting me. Y'all don't have to support me. Y'all do it anyway. So thank y'all so much. I just love all of my supporters, my stylish people. Y'all are so stylish. Like, now make sure y'all follow my Instagram, follow my baby on Instagram as well. Everything be linked in the description bar. All of our social media accounts, stuff like that. Shop her merch. My daughter got her own clothing line for the new people that just subscribed. Yes, if you got kids, if you got little girl, your little princesses, get your kids some princess merch where your kids can always be kids. Yeah, if you're a mom like me that wants your kids dressed like a kid and not like an adult, shop. Shop our merch. Is very much kid friendly. That's the whole concept of her clothing line, where kids can be kids and kids can, you know, dress like a kid. So yeah, you guys, I'll talk to you guys later. I love you guys, and I'll probably pick up the vlog later. I don't know. Ooh, y'all, it's so bad. I can't sit right there, but I pick up my camera. They got super hot. But I'll talk to y'all later. Love you guys. Stay safe and wear your mask. What's up, you guys? So I am back home and but I'm about to make some crab. I told y'all that I didn't know what I was gonna eat tonight, but it's up that I'm gonna be making some crabs. So that's what I'm making today. And I cooked breakfast this morning, so I gotta like put everything away and show you guys what I'm about to make. And hold on, I'm trying to get so I can talk to you right. Bear with me. Let me put this away. I got a big old air fryer. Y'all can see a little bit, but I already got my water boiling, and I used some bottled water. Got some shrimps, got some crabs, and we're about to whip it up. I need to put these dishes away. These are dishes from this morning, so yeah, I'm put them away. Cleaned up and out of my way. I got my water. y'all, I added a little bit of the shrimp, and I'm gonna just take a small amount of the BLove sauce seasoning. This is the sauce that I like to use when I want to sprinkle, but I added the shrimp. But y'all know shrimp don't take long. Oh dang. But just sprinkle that. This is the mild. Sprinkle a bit of that on there. And I added half of the ingredients anyway, so let that cook. Got the corn over here boiling. Y'all, I also wanted to hop on here and show y'all the rice I'll be using. This is Baba, or however you pronounce it. This is rice. So I'm about to try this. Y'all know I love anything dill or vinegary. So yeah, I'm gonna eat this with my seafood too. But let me know if y'all tried this before and how you like it. Like, anytime I see something different in the store, I try to grab it. And it was like the last two, so I'm like, oh, this gotta be good, because I grabbed the last two. So, but let me know if y'all ever tried this. I can't even tell you where I get it. That's why I hate that I forget where I get stuff. Oh, I think I got it from Kroger. Yeah. So
skills. I can be anything with all this melanin.